And now, the slow travel journey continues on the Thinking Man's channel. Ladies and germs, RichesMethod, back at it again. Go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the like, drop a comment below, share the videos. Check the comments and the description below. I have links to ebooks on financial freedom, as well as the dating cheat sheet, financial cheat sheet, how to live abroad. Go check it out. Let's go, man. Let's have some fun. Alright, so y'all wondering, she did a double take and also asked me if I was good. Anyway, today, man, we're gonna do a little exploring. We're gonna keep it light. I've always said I would do a video showing you guys, what you might want to add to your life, man. The simple things, the beautiful things, some of the beauties of DR and around DR. Why not start with the North Coast, right? I mean, usually though, when you come into the North Coast, you guys hit Cabarete, you guys hit the belly of the beast in the middle part on Sosua Beach. Not many people check out life on the edges. I kind of specialize in that. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the beauties around the edges, what you might want to add to your life when you're in the North Coast. So let's do some exploring. Alright, so those guys right there, if you want to pick up like extra cases for your cell phone, chargers, headsets, all these kind of things, you usually find the little hustlers on the street selling the cheaper version of that, right? If you speak a little Spanish, man, you're good. If you don't, they're going to raise the price a little bit up on you, but don't expect anything you buy from them to last a long time, right? It's kind of like extra cheap Chinese made, but it's available and cheap. Some of you might have heard a little bit of whistling, right? If not, rewind it, you hear it. That's basically all these motor control, motor taxi drivers. Now, on the North Coast, there is not Uber Moto. But when you're down in the capital, in Santo Domingo, you can do Ubers on the cars. You could also do Ubers on these motorbikes. Oh, still keeping it light, I thought I should mention that whatever your preferences are, you can find it here. You can find Dominican ladies who are from the darkest dark to the lightest light. For you ladies who might watch my channel, which is a few, but you're out there, same thing for you, okay? Every mix, everything in between. Now, some of you might remember that I am actually Caribbean. If you can't tell by the accent, yes. Most of the Caribbean, man, everybody should know that we had a mix, right? Everybody came from everywhere during, those times back then. I ain't gonna get all deep. And because of that, typically most Caribbean, hell, all Caribbean countries you can find out there, you will see people from the darkest dark to the lightest light and every mix in between. So whatever your preference is, typically you can find it in the Caribbean. Any island. Now, what I'm going to mention is only for the real adventurous people, so please don't kill me in the comments. Listen, if you like food and you're willing to try street food, I would say DR is one of them places, man, where you could actually try it out. If it's fresh, if you could see them barbecuing it, if you could see them cooking it, grilling it, whatever it might be, for sure, try it out. And this right here across the road right here is usually my favorite type of thing to do. When I see a little spot like this particular one, people come here to play billiards. Americans, you guys call it billiards or a shooting pool, depending on where you're from. Listen, you could find a little spot like this. You can get the coldest beers. As a girl lady, you're going to have some nice ladies. Be careful. Don't talk to nobody, girl, right? But if you see a young lady, she already might be sitting there serving drinks, or you know, she might have come in with her girlfriend or by herself, and she's gonna look for you to buy her a little drink. You could sit in places like these, have the best conversations. For you guys to worry about safety, it is safe, all the way safe. You don't really have to worry about nothing. This is a tourist island. So by the way, most tourist islands you go to are gonna be the same thing. Sit there, enjoy yourself, listen to some local music. Now, for those of you who have already traveled, you already know what I'm about to say is true. But for you guys who haven't really been to the Dominican Republic as yet, you should know the Dominicans are very friendly, they're very social. See these ladies right here? Yeah, just hanging out on the side of the street. And you'll notice a lot of people, like in this neighborhood right here, they're also doing the same thing. And man, you can say hello, hi. You're a foreigner, so of course you're gonna bring a lot of curiosity, but it's not uncommon to see Dominicans chatting with each other all the time, arguing with each other all the time, having a drink, playing some dominoes in the neighborhood, you know, and don't be intimidated by that. Because it is a tourist area, especially the North Coast, if you speak a little bit of Spanish, or even if you don't, but you know to play some dominoes, or you just want somebody to hang around with, see right there? You just want somebody to hang around with, chill with, be around, even if you're sitting there quiet. I would say if you're missing that in life, in your life, man, she'll bring it to you. You know, you could come to these neighborhoods as long as it's fairly safe. You know, you're not in the capital where you gotta worry about issues, but you probably won't be going to the worst neighborhoods anyhow, right, in the capital, and you can enjoy yourself.
Most people who end up in trouble, well, after you travel a while, you kind of learn to read the place, right? And any place could potentially be dangerous if people are desperate enough. Not even about dangerous, they could just start robbing. Phones do get snatched here. I've never seen it, for sure. There's some real. Oh damn, some guy started to block it. No way, beautiful place to go. Wait, come here.
Listen, in my humble opinion, these type of neighborhoods, if you notice from the beginning, I've been showing you the little gems in a normal neighborhood. Without the extra makeup, without the extra stuff, you get to see it in the raw and the real, make your mind up, and then imagine when all that extra makeup and everything goes on top of it. Fellas, if you've made it this far in the video, man, you get it. Put in the comment section, I made it that far. All right, my peoples, big up to y'all. Make sure that you check out the ebooks, pin down below, and I'll check you guys on the next one.